All right, guys, this was sent to us by the company AFIFR for purpose of this review. This is a sort of Guy radio that you can use with your phone through a Bluetooth connection, or you can also directly connect it to any external devices. You can also charge your phone with it as well. And you can also plug in a microphone, so if you're using it for parties in the garage or something, you can do karaoke, things like that. Very, very simple to use. Once you charge it, and from zero charge to a full charge can take up to about 6 hours or so, and it comes with all the cords you need and everything for your connections and charging. Once you charge it fully, though, it can go over a day of constant use if you're at a reasonable volume level. It, of course, depends on various things, not the least of which is if you're going to use some of these funky light settings like this, you can cycle through and do all kinds of different little modes. You can turn off the lights, too. I kind of like that one personally.
That's cool.
Also has adjustable carrying strap as well. I'm from the 80s, so I prefer to carry it like this myself, but you can also take this into places where you normally wouldn't want to take equipment like this. It's very water resistant. As a matter of fact, it's even submersible for a short period of time, but it's not completely waterproof. If we look on the back here, we have a nice, really tight silicone waterproof seal for all your connections there, like USB and your 10mm jack and things like that to connect phones to for charging or for playing direct from devices. If you're doing the Bluetooth, which is what most people I imagine would do, it has a Bluetooth range of up to 100 feet, and it also has various other adjustments for example, a bass booster, which we'll demonstrate pretty soon, and some other really cool features to help with if your battery is getting low, it will tell you things like that so that you can keep your party going at all times. All right, I think we can go ahead and give a demonstration of it here. So you can see the bass mode, really, you kind of want that on. It gives a much richer sound. You can pause the music, you can advance to the next one. Also remember it's Bluetooth controllable, so you can operate it from your phone as well, so you don't have to be next to the stereo system here. If you have multiple of these, you can actually Bluetooth connect all of them and make like an ultimate surround sound kind of effect as well. So that's the AFIFR portable stereo, water resistant, and kind of manly. All right, I hope you enjoyed that.